I'm so sorry for all the hundreds of people who bought this mattress vacuum from Peppo last week because they just came out with a new one. It literally just dropped. If you guys don't know what this is a Peppo mattress vacuum. This has a really deep suction. You actually can use this on any kind of upholstery, your couch, any bedding, a mattress, a crib. This has a UVC light that actually kills bacteria right away. It gets really deep in there with 140 degrees. It's got a HEPA filter in here which traps all those allergens. Like my kid has really bad allergies. This is gonna help with that. I got mine for 54% off, which is such a good deal. I'm gonna put this in the cart below, grab it while it's on sale. I'm so sorry for all the hundreds of people who bought this mattress vacuum.